hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in Bangkok, Chiang Mai in Phuket. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so you are doing this volunteering by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the another series of what to do. Today I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I came over here yesterday. Didn't do anything. I just took a day off and I was just relaxing. This morning I'm going to visit some of the places and see some tribes over here and learn about their culture. Right now I'm in my hostel. The name of the hostel is Mad Monkey. It's a good place to stay, I would say. Not expensive at all. And if you ever come to Chiang Mai, you can definitely stay over here. So without wasting any time, let's hit the road and see the beautiful city of Chiang Mai and learn about these tribes. So after traveling like 20 minutes, I'm over here in the Karen village, which is also known as Long Neck village, and it looks like a small settlement of Karen people, and like they are having a small market over here. And so let's go and see this place and try to interact with them. So that is how they make these scarves, and they make these scarves over here. As you can see, as you can see, and all these things they make to sell over here, and they make a living out of these things. So basically they are from Myanmar, and they came over here like many years ago due to the political turmoil in Myanmar, and they settled down in Thailand. So Thailand has given them the refuge, but they haven't given them the permission to work over here. So the only way that they can live over here is to sell the stuffs. They make over here this stuff, and they put on this market, and yes, tourists come over here, they see the things, find it interesting and they buy it. So that's how it works. Sorry, huh? So over here they are having some kind of education center as well, and there are children who are learning, I think, computer. As of right now I can see like they are doing something on their laptops. So um, let's go inside and ask some questions to the teacher.
insert แบบแล้วก็ hand table นะครับ table
Sorry, huh?
ครับสวัสดีครับ
What's your name?
Juven
Juvin.
yes
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you
So you are teaching them as a tuition, or they are having this as a school?
yeah it's like you get school
So it's a school, um, and so it's not like a tuition. Like they come over here after their school. It's the only source of education for them.
just and just this is my own yeah and I take like a volunteer
Okay, you take
so,
as a
yeah,
volunteer.
yeah volunteer it's like a vocational
Okay,
so every Sunday so they also have a free time
okay,
and also have a free time then
Okay.
so I'm volunteer here
good, good.
for computer training just computer training is now the a big school but it's a small training computer training and it starts from the beginning
Okay.
yeah beginner yeah
So who provide these laptops?
sorry
Who provide the laptops?
yeah me my own laptop my very old laptop
Okay, so you provide them the laptops.
yes
Okay, and your organization.
no I go myself
Okay, so you are doing this volunteering by yourself.
yes
Okay, nice. Well, thank you very much for your
okay
time.
yes
Thank
you're
you.
welcome
So that was a small community school in the village, and the guy who was teaching them is a volunteer over there, and he teaches these children on his own. I would say like he doesn't belong from any organization, so he does it for like for the community, and he himself is a Karen, and so he gives free education to these children over here, and hope for the best of that. Hope for them, and he hopes that maybe one day these children can get a better job and live a better life in the city, like he does. He lives in the downtown of Chiang Mai. Um, so this was the small little tour of Karen village in Chiang Mai, and so tomorrow I'm going to Bangkok. I'll stay there for like a couple of days and try to show you around some things in Bangkok as well. Not the party stuff, definitely. If you are looking for some party stuff on my channel for this Bangkok series, then I don't know if I'm going to show you some party stuff or not, but yes, definitely I'll be showing around some of the unique stuff in Thailand. So till then, stay tuned. So I'm back into my hostel, and it was quite interesting day to see the Karen tribe in the village and to interact with them. It was also quite good to interact with the teacher of that community school in that village. And so yes, if you ever come to Chiang Mai, you can go over there and visit that village, learn about the Karen tribes, and then there are different what do you say, types in the Karen tribe, like the one which with the long neck is one of the type. Then there is another one which in which the woman of the tribe has the ear piercing, which makes the ears bigger. So yes, it differentiates among themselves, like the one with the long neck, the bigger ears, and some have like a different way of dressing, like the jewelries and those kind of stuff. Like they have to make them unique, make them differentiate from others. And right now I'm packing my stuff because I'm going to fly to Bangkok tomorrow, and then, as I mentioned, in the morning I will be there to show you around the city of Bangkok, some cool things, some unique things if possible. And once I finish the packing, I will be going for the night market over here in Chiang Mai, and I will show you around the night market of the Chiang Mai, and hoping to eat some delicious Thai food. So yes, if you come to Chiang Mai, then there are some other things as well, like which you can do. Like there is this village which is on the hills of Chiang Mai. I will write the name of that village over here in the description, and as I forgot the name of that village. So there are a couple of other things as well. I will mention those things in the description, which you can do. Unfortunately, I don't have that much time right now, and so it was just a very short visit to Chiang Mai. Maybe in future, if I get time, if I come into Chiang Mai, then definitely I will show you around to those places. So right now, let's head to the night market and show you the night market